today we are going to start integers first. That what are the integers? All right. So before moving to the integers, we must know the history of numbers. You know, in ancient Egyptian times, in ancient Egyptian times, when numbers were not being introduced at that time, different symbols were used to show the numbers. For example, that this symbol looking like 9, this was used for 100, okay, and this number was used for 10, and for 1 they used bar like this. To show 2 they used 2 bar like this. For 3, or to count 3 something, they used 3 bar. Same for 4 number to count, they used 4 bar. And same for 5 number to count, they use 5 bar. So in this way, they started to count different things by using these bars. Okay. Then for 10, they use this symbol like opposite U. And then for 100, they use this symbol looking like 9. For example, if they want to write 324, so how they will write in ancient Egyptian time when there were no numbers, like we can see in a modern time. So at that time, they use 3 times. 300 mean we will have to put this sign 3 times. 1, 2, 3. This is 300. 24. So this sign should be 2 times. And 4. So this bar 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can see how much long it is. So this was the way at that time to show the numbering. So same we can take some other examples. For example, if I am writing 59, so 50, first we will have to show 50. Okay, so 5 times U, opposite U like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 9. It means 9 times bar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how much it is long. So now today's time, now we can see the numbers like this. So these were being used in ancient Egyptians times when there were no numbers that we can see nowadays. So after Egyptians, who came? After Egyptians, Greeks came. Greeks came. And they introduced basically, they introduced the numbers that we can see nowadays, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, is it clear? All right. Okay, so let's start with the whole number. Before moving to the integers, we will see the history a little bit. So the whole numbers are, they are denoted with the initial letter W, and they always started with the 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on, unlimited, they go till infinity. So these are the whole numbers. So after that, we should know about the natural numbers. Natural numbers. Natural numbers starting the initial letter, they are denoted with N, and these numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, so on, infinity. Okay, so the difference is between the whole number and natural number is the 0. You can see there is 0 with the whole number and no 0. They are starting from 1, the natural number. All right. So now moving to the third one. negative numbers. Negative numbers. So as you can see, they are negative numbers. They starting -1, -2, -3, and so on till you can say minus infinity. Okay, if we take the example, we can write, for example, -786, -5401, -621. So these are all the negative numbers. Clear?
Mm-hmm.
All right. So moving to the next, now integers. Integers. So who are integers? So now all the numbers that we read before, they are called integers, or you can say the set of collection of different numbers are called integers. They are denoted by z, and we can write from starting from 0, plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3, and so on till infinity. Okay, infinity, unlimited. So did you see? So in integers, we are adding 0, we are adding positive numbers, and we are adding negative numbers also. So they are all called integers. But now we have to learn that which numbers are called not integers. They are not integers. They are not called integers. So you can say them non-integers. Non-integers. Okay. So the first, if I categorize them, there will be 3 categories. The first one is decimal numbers. So decimal numbers are not integers. For example, if I'm writing 10.21, if I'm writing 321.74, so these are not integers. Okay, now moving to the second category. So if I'm writing fractions, if I'm writing the numbers in fraction form, so if I'm writing 5/12, okay, -6/18. So these numbers are fractions. They are not integers. All right. Okay. So moving to the third one category. So if we write the number in square root form, square root 6, square root 25, square root 75. So these numbers are also not integers. So you must memorize all these numbers in all these categories, that these are not integers. Is it clear? So I hope you understand. Okay, now I will introduce the number line. So I will have to write here number line. So now we will read about the number line. Okay. So a number line is like this. So this is a number line. So if you have a scale, please do use the scale and you make your own number line. Okay. We will have to take a center here, and we will have to put the 0 here. From 0 to right side, all the numbers are positive numbers. So I'm writing 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And from 0 to left side are numbers called negative numbers. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Okay. All right. So what we call them? So the number from 0 to right side, they are called positive numbers.
Positive.
And the numbers from 0 to left side are called
Negative numbers.
negative numbers. Okay. Now moving to the next thing. that if I say that this is, for example, I'm taking question 1 and I'm saying that this is 5, show it on the number line. So how we will show? First, take a point. You can show 2 ways. You can put the, first of all, look, if is it a positive number or a negative number?
Positive.
Positive. So we will have to look from 0 to right side. So this is the 5. We will have to put the point here. This is the one way to show. And the second, you can make a circle properly. You can make a circle around the 5. Then it will be 5. Okay. If I say, for second question, I'm saying that show -3 on the number line. So where it is, we will move from 0 to the left side and we will have to show -3 here. All right. So in this way, we can show different numbers, positive or negative, on the number line. So I hope you clear. Okay, let's moving on. And make the number line again. Okay, now we will have to see that how we will do add and subtract with the number line game. So let's take an example. If I am saying show -5 plus 2 on number line. So how we will show this thing? So first of all, take a center, take a points 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You can also do with me. And on the left side, -1, -2, -3, -4, and -5. So now we will have to see that 5 is minus. So we will have to start from the minus sign. Are you sleepy?
No.
Okay. So start from the negative side because 5 is a negative number, right? So we'll start from the negative side and moving 2 jumps. We will have to take 2 jumps till for the answer. So let's see where should be the answer. So we will start from here from 5 and we will take the first jump 1 and then we will take the second jump. So now it is on -3, right? So answer will be -3. Is it clear? All right. So let's take another example. If you want to give me the number, you can. If you want to give me the question, you can give me the question.
-6
-6
plus 2.
plus 2. Okay. So where we have to start? I didn't take -6. Let's suppose we have -6 here. Okay. And what we do, we will have to, let me erase the previous one. Okay. So -6 and 2, we will have to take 2 jumps starting from -6. So this is the first jump and this is the second jump. All right. So where it goes on -4. So answer will be -4. Okay. Is it clear? Let's suppose I'm taking another example, -5 plus 5. So it means we will have to start from -5. Yes, it comes back. All right. So -5 plus 5. It means we will have to start from -5 and we will have to jump till +5. Okay. So we will have to end till 5 jumps, not +5. Sorry. So this is the first jump. This is the second jump. This is the third jump. This is the fourth jump. And this is the finally 5th jump. So -5 plus 5 equals to 0. All right. So I hope you understand all the concepts. So this was end for today. I will do the next question for next day. Till then, see you tomorrow. Allah Hafiz.